So the problem which we are going to see is section of solid. Already we have seen a problem, and there is another problem. Let me read the question. Hexagonal pyramid, base 30 mm side and axis 65 mm, resting on its base on HP with two edges parallel to VP. So this is about the solid. So they say it is an hexagonal pyramid, okay, having a base side of 30 mm and axis is 65 mm, is resting on HP on its base. So we have to draw the top view in HP. So you're not supposed to do any mistake here, because this is where students will do some mistakes. They will draw the top view, they will have the confusion where to draw the top view. So the top view, they say the base is resting on HP, by means you have to draw the top view on HP with two edges of the base parallel to VP. So here one base and here we have another base. You have to make sure both the base edges are parallel to VP. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degree to HP. So it is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP. So in the last class itself I told you, wherever we draw the wherever the cutting plane is perpendicular, we have to draw the cutting plane. So here they say the cutting plane is perpendicular to VP. So in vertical plane we have to draw the cutting plane and inclined at 45 degree to HP, intersecting the axis at point 25 mm above the base. Okay, so intersecting the axis, in a sense it is going to pass exactly at the center and 25 mm above the base. So from the intersecting the axis at a point, so it is going to cut the base at a point 25 mm above the base. Draw the front view and sectional top view. So let us go to the problem. So initially let me start. So we have to draw the XY line. So let me draw the XY line. Let me bring it a little down so that I have sufficient space to draw the this should be fine. Then I have to draw a hexagon. So they say the top view of the hexagon is at, we have to draw the top view of the hexagon at HP. So make sure two of its base edges are parallel. Okay, so exactly draw exactly, yeah. Drawn. So I have to change the flip because at this view, so we have okay, at this point, two of its none of its bases are parallel. Okay, so here two of its base edges are perpendicular to VP. So this is not the orientation. We have to change the orientation. Let me change the orientation.